I had somebody ask me if I could make them a custom shifter knob. Apparently they didn't want to use the standard stuff that's readily available out there. And I told them sure, I'd make them something. So this is a piece of 2.5 inch solid aluminum bar in the lathe here. It's going to drill and tap for threads. One unfortunate thing about this lathe that I have, it doesn't have a taper attachment or even a compound cross slide. So if I want to put an angle on something, I almost have to make a form tool, which I can do, but it's just a lot of work for one or two. So we'll do that in the mill after I finish engraving the top here. Since it's going in a Volkswagen, they wanted the German Eagle. It's got a name. It's the crest or coat of arms or something. I can't remember. Anyway, it's German. So that's the top finished, and it's actually not a bad finish. We'll still sand it, but it wasn't bad to start with. So because of the limitations with the lathe, I gotta bring it over here to put an angle on the back or a taper, which isn't hard to do. It's just the lathe is the right tool for that. So here I'm just using a 5/8 inch 2 flute to get rid of most of the material and following it up with a ball end mill. Which, to be honest, does a really good job. It's not an unacceptable finish right out of the mill. But never one to leave well enough alone. I put it back in my, well, not back into, I put it onto the small lathe so I could sand the finish. Just working my way through the grits. I think I started with 80, then 150, and then 320. And then I realized that 3-jaw chuck I used on the mill actually bit into the perimeter a little. So I had to put it back on and work that out. But other than that, it turned out pretty nice, and this guy's got a shift knob like no one else. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.